la denko Pasukan ni horonya ye
Okay guys, this is the part of the quest gets a little bit tricky. Right now you want to go to the room with the dot, black dot in it. From there you want to search the bookcase. That will take you into the room that sends you to the basement. Yeah, go down that ladder. It will send you into the basement, which has a few levers in it that you have to pull to open doors. And once you pull them all correctly, you will be able to get the oil can. Pull both A and B, and that will open the first door. They both have to be pulled. Either way of pulling it is fine, as long as they're both pulled. Now you can go to the first door. Now, in here, you have to pull lever D. Run right in front of you. Then you run back out and pull A and B again. Once A and B are both pulled, then you can go through the second door. Go to the north door, then turn to your left, which is the only other door there, and pull both the levers in this room. Go to the south door, go through the south door in this room also, and pull lever C. Then you want to go back to that room again, the room you're just in, go north, and then north again. Pull lever E. E is in eggs, or elephant, and get out of there. Then you just go in and get the gas can, or oil can. Alright, thanks guys, bye.
Mimanya Okamu Sinanya Jiwara mamunyo anda hiri no bena bombi Magangena mamunyo misi ubalo na tema na ye Jamana belanja na jejoli Jaja beni kabara